Yeah, hi, hello, welcome again. In last video, we have seen about if case, if and else case. I thought you understand those things. If you didn't see that if case and means, just go and watch that one and then continue this one. And this one we are going to see about switch case. What is switch and what about the switch case? So let me see the syntax of switch case. Switch inside case, then break. So this is what the switch case means. What actually switch case will do is, in for loop we will do one condition for, as here it is a condition, then it will execute over here. The if condition is true, it will execute over here. If you need for example, just imagine if you need you want to find the for is equal to, if 0 is equal to 1, then what you will do, 0 is equal to 1 means you have to get inside. So it means let's, then I didn't say, let's assume where I is equal to 0. Okay, so I am checking I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0 means it will right here is 0. Okay, so for example, if I is equal to 1, I have to write I is equal to 1 means this is 1, I is equal to 2 means this is 1 means what I will do, I will add two more for loop or for else if, to for more, two more if or else if I will do I is equal to 1 means this is 1, then I will actually do else if I is equal to 2. So this is 2. So if I need two more means else if I is equal to 3. So the point is, I am checking here I is equal to 0, one condition, a second condition, it will check this one, and if this is not, if it will come check this one, if this is not, it will check this one, if this is not, if check this one, and it will come here. Okay, so this is by if case. To simplify this format, we are everywhere we are checking if I is equal to what. Okay, we are checking only I with comparatively 0, these things. To simplify this format, the switch case is used. It's like in which way means, how you can use means, you want to, in switch you have to give which variable you have to check, and we are going to check I, right? So we are going to give I here. Then in the case, after the case name, you have to compare to which one, compare the I to which one. I am going to compare the I to 0 now. Okay, so here this is 0. So if I want to add one more condition, so I can add one more case, and this is 1, and I am adding this is 1 and break. Okay, for instance, I can show you, right? System dot out dot println is 0. Okay, so same here is 1. So the same case is 2. Okay, so this will very simplify the if. So it will work like this, it not only for integer. So let me show you this, simplifying this you are skipping 1 2 3 4 if cases. You skipped 4 if cases, and we have done everything here. So you can ask, if have else case, else means so this is the point of this is 3. So here, if nothing is conditionable, I is not in the 3, in the 4, not going through the 4 condition, what else will be I go on? Else case. Else case means not in any condition. Okay, so this is not in any condition. Else means if no condition is satisfied, it will come to else. otherwise it won't. Like the same thing, you can ask where that else statement else, which means we have a default. So default statement is like else statement here. If no condition is satisfied, if it I is not equal to 0, I is equal not equal to 1, I is not equal to 2 means this will work. This will work like, I will assume like 10, or we can give 10, right? Not in any condition. Okay, so we can break. So why we are breaking means, if any one condition it came means it will break the whole switch case. That's why we are using break. It is a syntax, we have to use that in a break. So default is like kind of this else. Okay, I think you got it. Let's I'll show you one example for you. You can it is used, it will used, you can use switch case in many places. Not in local. See, I is equal to 0, so we are printing 0. Let's print I is equal to 10. So I am running, so no in the condition. Sorry, not in the condition, not in any condition, so it need to print not in any condition is printing. So this is how the switch case will work. And you can write the not, this is for integer switch case. You can, as usual, you can use the same switch case for string itself, where 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so I am switch case is equal to 1. I am considering this 1 break. Okay, system dot print ln, I am printing as 1, so this need to be 1, right? And I am adding another one case is 2. This is 2. Okay, so I am adding default right now. Default is not applicable. Okay, so now I am running this one. The integer will give not applicable. Second one, we have string is 1, so on. So let's change the string something, so it is not applicable. This is how it will works. So I think everyone will get some clear idea about what is switch case and what is, how it is differ from if and if case, if else. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in comment, or you can do DM in Instagram, or you can mail me in my websites through. Thank you.